And now we are gonna talk about shaders. So first, we are gonna talk about default vertex. This first line contains the versions asterisk versions 300 core of GLSL, OpenGL shading language. And since we have OpenGL 33, we need to use GL 330. Layout location. In VEC Vec3 A pos, the second line takes an input pos using the layout with locations 0. When layout help OpenGL read the vertex data and its nessus and void main. And for the main functions, we simply assign GL positions and vec4 with all our positions plus an arbitrary for the ATH dimensions. OpenGL recognizes the keywords of GL positions and it needs to use it as the positions for the vertex. Default frog.
Partahan bro, kawit ako.
Kinangin naman, nagre-record ako eh.
Okay na, kawit ako bro.
Bakit ka uwi? Sinundo ka ba?
Oo.
Bakit?